Hi, kids. Our world is an amazing place. We have green forests filled with tall trees, cute animals that need our care, sparkling rivers, and beautiful waterfalls. But all these things need our help to stay healthy and strong. When we take care of nature, we protect the homes of animals, keep the air fresh and clean, and make sure the water stays pure. We can help by doing little things like picking up trash, planting new trees, saving water, and being kind to all creatures. Every small action makes a big difference. Together, we can be heroes for the earth and protect our world. Let's make sure our forests, rivers, and animals stay happy and healthy for a long time. It's our job to take care of this beautiful world we call home.